Hello students, today we will do the addition of the algebraic expression. Please follow the process I am using. Okay, let's start. Add the given algebraic expression. A minus B plus AB, comma, B minus C plus BC, comma, C minus A plus CA. We have to add all the terms. Now we get A minus B plus AB plus B minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus CA equal to, the step is collecting the like terms together. We get A minus A plus B minus B plus C minus C, bracket close, then plus AB plus BC plus CA. Now A minus A, both are like terms, so it will cancel and we will get A minus A equal to 0 plus B minus B equal to 0 plus C minus C equal to 0, and the rest of the terms are AB plus BC plus CA. So the answer we are getting AB plus BC plus CA. Hope all of you have understood the sum. Thank you. Hello students, let us start with mensuration. Over here we are going to find the area of a plastic sheet required to make a plastic box. You need the knowledge of lateral area and the base area. I will explain these two terms while explaining the sum to you. So let's start. Okay. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is opened at the top. Now, ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. For doing the sum, we have to find the lateral surface area and the base area. Okay, so let us start. Here, length, let it be considered as L, is equal to 1.5 meter. Breadth, considered as B, is equal to 1.25 meter, and height or depth, it is H, equal to 65 centimeter, which need to be converted into meter. So 65 divided by 100, we are getting 0.65 meter. Now we have to find out the lateral surface area and the base area. First of all, as it is an open box from the top, therefore its surface area equal to the lateral surface area plus the base area. Now over here the lateral surface area equal to 2 into L plus B into height plus L into B, that is the base area. So 2 into L is equal to 1.50 plus breadth is equal to 1.25 into height is equal to 0.65. So this is the square meter plus length is equal to 1.50 into 1.25 this is equal to the square meter. So we are getting 2 into 2.75 into 0.65 square meter plus 1.875 square meter, which is equal to 3.575 plus 1.875 square meter, which is equal to 5.45 square meter. Hence, the area of the sheet required to make the box is equal to 5.45 square meter. Hope all of you have understood the sum. Thank you. Hello students. Today I am going to explain you one of the problem of linear equation where we will use the substitution method to solve the problem. Is that clear? So let's start. Solve the following linear equations by the substitution method. The pair of linear equation formed where x plus y equal to 14, let it be equation 1, x minus y equal to 4, let it be equation number 2. Expressing x in terms of y in the equation 2, we get x equal to 4 plus y. Let it be equation 3. Substituting the value of x in the equation 1, we get 4 plus y equal to 14. This implies 4 plus 2y equal to 14. This implies 2y equal to 14 minus 4. Hence 2y equal to 10. Y equal to 10 by 2, that is y equal to 5. Putting the value of y in the equation 2, we get x minus 5 equal to 4, which implies x equal to 4 plus 5, that is x equal to 9. Hence, x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. Answer. Hope all of you have understood the sum. Thank you.